Ooh, the administrator, Zoshipikawa 11. The administrator, Era Plays. Ooh, the developer, Grillian 4. The creator, me. Whoa, the moderator, that's so cool. Wait, what? Piggy? Are you serious? Hey guys, what's up? So, I am wait, what? I just made a game today and I didn't update it yet, so if I'll link the game in the description. I'm not really finished with it, as you can see. So I'm gonna update the game to add the park, but I'm just gonna say there's a secret in the park, and I'm not gonna show it because I just want you guys to find it. But there's actually something lurking in the park, and yeah, I said too much. But anyway, here's my game. I added some trains over there. Just wait, let me just stop. Yeah, so guys, I'm here on Roblox Studio. I'm gonna fix this train. I'm not even gonna. So I only made two train stations so far. 174th Avenue and then Franklin Street. But I feel like it's Franklin Avenue, so I'm gonna have to. Yeah, it's Franklin. And I'm gonna make an update. I'm gonna make a park. A Franklin Park, because I mean it's on Franklin Street. Don't know why I added Piggy. I mean, I wanted to add something funny. Piggy? Wait, what? I don't think you actually kind of heard my voice, because my mic was so far away from my... So... This is my game. It's gonna be a really big map. I'm gonna add the road and stuff, but it's gonna be a really big map. Here is R38. I'm probably gonna make the R38 admin only. R32. Let me see. So guys, comment down below. What do you think I should, like, fix? And are you ready for the big update where there's gonna be a secret? Anyway. Oh, I thought that said hoops. So my friend was literally playing, but now I think he left. The thing is, these are empty because my friend is supposed to add the plugins there, but the thing is, he just left. I don't know why. So anyway, oh yeah, I also want to. Oh, I just moved something. Yeah, there. I just moved a tree. Then here is also a map I made. I'll post a lot of links probably, but I'll post a link how to make this map, how to make like maps like these. I've got it. Sorry, excuse me. I got it from a website, and it's actually pretty cool. The thing is, I don't know how to actually add it. Never mind. So yeah, metromapmaker.com. So I'm gonna add the A, C, and D lines. The A and C. The A is gonna run from Lefferts to Legend Airport. The C is gonna run from Lefferts to 100th Avenue. And then the D is gonna run from Lefferts to City Island. So yeah. And I will scale this. If you guys don't know what Roblox Studio is, it's technically how you make games on Roblox. You know how people make games? This is technically it. Maybe I am going to add an R110 train. Automatic? Whoa, 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 whoa. There's an automatic train? I never knew that. There's such a thing as an automatic, like, 6 train, R110. But I don't really... Another automatic train. the shuttle. I'll see if you guys have any ideas of like, or if you want to give me some models you have, you can comment down below. I mean, I love to see them. I maybe should write R110B. There we go. Yep, there. The thing is, like this one, I wouldn't say they're not really bad, but I mean, they don't really look realistic. I mean, you should kind of make them more realistic. As you can see, this one doesn't really look really realistic. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Already saw that one. R110B by... Oh, and they just teleport on the tracks immediately. Yeah, like this one. This one kind of looks more realistic. Don't you guys agree? I hope this one, nope, does not have a spawn. Automatic. Some people make automatic trains. Fine by me. Except... Do you guys call this an R110B? But it's a different... What the heck? They kind of like changed the R211 into R110B. I mean, you can see like the R46 thing. I don't really care about R160 shuttle. No. Yep, so this is my game I'm gonna make soon. So yeah, here is the actual game. The thing is, I didn't update it yet, so it doesn't have the park and some of the other stuff. But it has this. Oh, I can use shift now. That's weird. Why? Wait. Speed me. So, yeah, I'm speeding. Wee. So, yeah, here's what I did so far. Force field. I'm gonna actually get... Okay, yeah, I want this car for now. I want this, like, but I can actually move it, though. That's the weird thing. Okay, now I gotta oh no, actually, never mind. I already reset myself, so... Oh. Oh, look, an R38. I didn't make it admin yet, because I have to make, like, a spawn button for it. I'm actually talking more louder, because this noise is really loud. And I also need to add the GUI or something. Because, I mean, look at this. When I drive the train, I can't open the doors. You can actually just go through them. I can only, like, speed. Oh, no, wait. Why can't I go? I think I literally fell off the tracks. There we go. I hate this. What the? Why is it going? That's the thing about the R38. Whenever I literally leave or respawn, it just starts going back or forward. I don't know. Look at that. It's like something is literally pushing it. Look, it's literally moving. Look at the R38 on the train. And now I think it's stuck. What the? Bro, what are you doing? Stop! What the heck? Oh my god, and it's not even stopping. Is this on automatic R38 or something? Look, this car is about to fall off. Never mind, it actually already fell off into the trees. Yeah, you see, I didn't add, like, the park yet. This R32 is crazy. Oh, yeah, I mean R38, but this is actually the R32. Please don't. I use the free. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Yes, I used the. Oh. Yes, I used free models. I'm sorry. I mean, some of it my friend gave me, but yeah, free models. Come on. At least I made a game, man. I'm actually gonna join a different server. Sorry, I sneeze like that. So, yeah, slime. No, that's not the slime. Hey there. It only shows my head. Why does it only show my head? Okay, there we go. So yeah, let's see if it does it again. I actually really hate this glitch. That keeps on. Oh yeah, now it's moving. Yeah, see, it's respawn me. Let's see. Yep, I can hear it. It's moving. What are you? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, R38? Dude, this never happened. What the heck? What is wrong with you? Now you're buried in the trees. I mean, look, I can barely see you. Look at inside the train. Literally, just trees everywhere. Man. Okay, now this time I actually want to, like, fly and see. Only if it lets me in. There. Then respawn me. And then we're right here. It's right here. But the thing is, it's not doing it now. Oh yeah, when I leave the station. That is so, whoa, that is fascinating. Literally, I'm at the station, and then when I leave, it just moves. So only when I leave. Oh, so it follows what I do. Look, I'm moving back, and then moving forward. It's doing the same thing as I'm moving. That's actually really... Or maybe because I'm flying. Even when I walk. So weird. Wow. This is actually really weird. But anyway, guys. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Bye-bye, R38. I said bye-bye. I said bye-bye. Okay. Well, hope you like and enjoy. There. Finally. Hope you enjoy the video. I think... What happened to the train? Well, bye, guys. Oh my god, what happened to you? What are you doing? That was weird. Well, bye, guys. Subscribe and like. Hope you like.